Good morning, class 10th students. Today we start new exercise, exercise 7.2, that is based on section formula. So first question of this exercise, find the coordinates of the point which divide the point -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So you draw a line, that is A and B. The coordinate of A is -1, 7 and write down the coordinate of B, that is equal to 4, -3, and take a point P on the line. This point divides this line in the ratio 2:3. We have to find out the coordinate of that point. So we write down, let P x, y is a point on AB which divides AB in the ratio 2:3, where A is -1/7 and the coordinate of B is 4, -3. So this is x1, y1 and this point x2, y2. Here we apply section formula because point P divides the line AB in the ratio 2:3. So we write down by section formula. Section formula, we write Px, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Write down the value of m, that is 2, x2 is 4, plus nx1, the value of n is 3, because m ratio n is the ratio 2:3. So x1, value of x1 is -1 upon m ratio m plus n, that is 2 plus 3, my2 yani 2 into -3 plus n, 3 into y1, 7 upon 2 plus 3. 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. So 5 upon 5, 15 upon 5, 1, 3. So coordinate of P is value of P x, y, Px, y we write. At last the value of Px, y is 1, 3. So coordinate of P 1, 3. So now we solve the second question of this exercise. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, 3. So first we will understand what is point of trisection. The points which divide the line in two equal parts is called points of trisections. So here P and Q are the point of trisection because they divide the line in three equal parts, that is the first part, that is the second part and third part. AP, PQ, QB are the three parts. So P and Q divides the line in three equal parts. We write down, let P and Q are the point of trisection. Yeah, P and Q trisect AB. We draw a line AB. We write down the coordinate of A, that is 4, -1. We write down coordinate of B, that is -2, -3. And we write AP equal to PQ equal to QB because it is given. These are the point of trisection and ratio of AP, PQ, QB is 1:1 क्योंकि तीनों पार्ट इक्वल हैं तो सबके रेशियो कैसे आएंगे इक्वल. अब AP रेशियो PB, अगर AP का रेशियो मैं लेता हूँ ये 1 पार्ट है और P से B तक अगर आप देखो तो कितने पार्ट हो गए 1 और 1 2, तो AP रेशियो PB इज़ 1:2, सो दैट इज़ इक्वल टू M/N. इसी को हम लोग क्या ले लेंगे M और N. तो इससे हम सेक्शन फॉर्मूला लगा के काय की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे, P के कोऑर्डिनेट को निकाल लेंगे. तो बाई सेक्शन फॉर्मूला Px, y इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n, m/2 प्लस n/1 अपॉन m प्लस n. वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ m दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. वी पुट वैल्यू ऑफ x2 दैट इज दिस वैल्यू. फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज x1 y1 and second value is x2 y2. We put value of x2 minus 2, then n, the value of n is 2, value of x1 is 4 upon m plus n 1 plus 2. We my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, value of m is 1 and value of y2 is minus 3, value of n is 2, value of y1 is minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. So we solve minus 2, 4 2 is 8, minus 3, minus 2 upon 3, 8 minus 2 that is equal to 6, 6 upon 3 2 and minus 5 upon 3. So coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Now we find out the coordinate of P. This is V, so coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3 and the coordinate of Q is 2 comma minus 3. The middle point of this line is Q because PQ equal to QB, because PQ equal to QB, so Q is the midpoint. Coordinate of Q, by using midpoint formula we find out the coordinate of Q. So that is Q x dash y dash x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. We put value of x1 that is equal to 2, value of x2 minus 2 upon 2, value of y1 minus 5 upon 3, value of y2 minus 3 upon 2. We write 0 upon 2 and we write minus 5 upon 9 6. So we write 0 minus 14 upon 6, 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. So coordinate of Q is 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. These are the two values which we have to find out. First value is coordinate of P and another value of coordinate of Q because P and Q trisect the line AB. In question number 3rd, to conduct sport day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, the lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. There are 100 flower pots have been placed at the distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. As soon as Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD and on the second line, post green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance at the line AD on the 8th line and post red flag. What is the distance between both the flags if Rasmi posts a blue flag exactly half the way between the line segment joining two flags? Where should she post her flag? In this question, there is a school activity and ABCD is a school ground. This ABCD is school ground and the track may be formed 1 meter apart. So this is the 1 meter from A. So there are 10 tracks may be formed. Here the runs are running between these tracks and there are 100 flower pots were placed it means whole field is 100 meter long. So Niharika runs, one girl learned at on the second track and covered a distance 1/4 post green flag. Another girl Preet runs 8th track and cover a distance 120, total distance का 120 cover किया and post a flag P. We find out the distance between N P. And another girl Rasmi post a flag just between them. If we join this and we find out the midpoint, so Rasmi place the flag just between this line. So coordinate of N, it means Niharika on the second track and 1/4 of total distance, second track and 1/4 of total distance. So this is 2,25 because total distance is 100 and Niharika ran 1/4 of the distance. So 1/4 of 100, 2,25. And Preet runs 1/5 of the total distance. Total distance is 100 meter. 8, 1/5 of 100, that is 8/20. We find out the distance between these 2 points. So we apply which formula? Distance formula. This point is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2. We know that the formula is x2 minus x1, 8 minus 2 and 20 minus 25. So we get 6 square and 25, this is equal to minus 5, 36 or plus 25, 6, 5, 11, 61 units. Rasmi post a flag just between two girls. So position where Rasmi post flag R, X, Y is the midpoint formula of this line. We put the value 2 plus 6 and 25 plus 20. We get 8 upon 2, 4, 45 by 2, 4, 22.5. So Rasmi post flag on 4th track at a distance of 22.5 meter. I hope you understand this sum. In this question, find the ratio in which line segment joining the point 3, minus 10 and minus 1, 6, 3, minus 10 and 6, minus 8 by P minus 1, 6. देखो क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, रेशियो निकालना है. ये P पॉइंट है माइनस 1,6 जो इस लाइन ए बी को रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. हमें फाइंड करना है किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को, लेट P minus 1,6 divides AB in the ratio M ratio N. First point x1 y1. तो किस रेशियो में डिवाइड हो रहा है, AP रेशियो PB इज M रेशियो N. हम लोगों ने ले लिया कि ये रेशियो M है और ये N. तो नाउ वी अप्लाई बाइसेक्शन फॉर्मूला. P minus, we apply section formula. This is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M, the value of m into x2. The value of x2 is 6. N, x1, the value of x1 is minus 3 upon m plus n. m by 2, m into the value of y2 is minus 8, n y1, the value of y1 is 10 upon m plus n. We also put the value of p, that is minus 1 comma 6. Now we compare, first we compare this with, so minus 1 equal to 6m minus 3n upon m plus n. By cross multiplying we get 6m minus 3n equal to minus m minus n, 6m plus m equal to minus n plus 3n, 7m equal to 2n, or m upon n equal to 2 upon 7. So this is the m ratio L is 2 ratio 7. And that we compare 6 equal to minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n, minus 8m plus 10n equal to 6m plus 6n, minus 8m minus 6m equal to 6n minus 10n. So minus 14m equal to minus 4n, m upon n equal to minus 4 upon 14, m ratio n equal to 2 upon 7, 2 ratio 7. So this is our required answer. In this question, we find the ratio in which line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Now this line is divided by the x-axis. So any point on the x-axis is in the form of x comma 0. Let P x comma 0 divides AB in the ratio m ratio n, because P is any point on the x-axis, any point on the x-axis is in the form of x comma 0. So by section formula, we write P x comma 0 equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 ny1 upon m plus n. Write down the value of this x1 y1, this is x2 y2, m into x2. The value of x2 is minus 4 plus n, the value of n, x1 value of x1 is 1 upon m plus n, my2 m into y2, value of y2 is 5, y1 is minus 5 upon m plus n, x comma 0. Px comma 0 equal to minus 4m plus n upon m plus n, 5m compare this point. So 0 equal to 5m minus 5n upon m plus n. So what we get? We get m plus n multiplied with 0, 5n. So 5m equal to 5n. 5 is cancelled for this, m upon n equal to 1 upon 1, m ratio n equal to 1 ratio 1. So x इक्वल टू, अब x इक्वल टू कंपेयर कर दो. अगर x इक्वल टू कंपेयर करेंगे तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4m प्लस n अपॉन m प्लस n. पुटिंग m रेशियो n इक्वल टू 1 रेशियो 1, x इक्वल टू माइनस 4 इंटू 1, माइनस 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन, तो माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. So coordinate of P is minus 3 by 2 comma 0 and ratio m ratio n is 1:1. In this sum, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6, 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. So in this question, these are the vertices of parallelogram. So write down, let A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma y, C x comma 6, D 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. We find out the value of x and y. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Write down the midpoint of AC, 1 plus x upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2, 2 plus 6 upon 2 equal to midpoint of BD, 3 plus 4 upon 2, 5 plus y upon 2. So this is 1 plus x upon 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 4, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 2, 5 plus y upon 2. Compare these values. So 1 plus x upon 2 equal to 7 upon 2. 2 is cancelled. 1 plus x equal to 7 and x equal to 7 minus 1, x equal to 6. 4 equal to 5 plus y upon 2. 5 plus y equal to 8. Y equal to 8 minus 5, y equal to 3. These are the values of x and y. In this question, find the coordinates of a point A. We find out the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle, whose center is 2 comma minus 3, and the coordinate of point B is 1 comma 4. We find out the coordinate of point A. A point की coordinate हम लोगों को find out करना है. So we write down by midpoint. In our solution, we write down by midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is O 2 comma minus 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Because center is the midpoint of the diameter, this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. We put the value of x1, that is x plus 1 upon 2, value of y1 is y, and value of y2 plus 4 upon 2, 2 comma minus 3. 2 equal to x plus 1 upon 2, minus 3 equal to y plus 4 upon 2. So 2 is 4, 4 equal to x plus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to x, so x equal to 3. Minus 6 equal to y plus 4, minus 6 minus 4 equal to y, y equal to minus 10. So coordinate of A 3 comma minus 10. 3 comma minus 10 is the coordinate of point A. In this question, if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinate of P such that AP equal to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. P lie on the line segment AB. The coordinate of A is minus 2 comma minus 2, coordinate of B is 2 comma minus 4. We find out the coordinate of this P, and here this is given AP is 3 upon 7 of whole AB. So we multiply this, we write down 7AP equal to 3AB. 7AP in place of AB, you write AP plus BP. AP plus BP. 7AP, 3AP, 3BP. 7AP minus 3AP equal to 3BP. 4AP, 3BP, or AP upon BP equal to 3 upon 4, or AP ratio BP equal to 3 ratio 4, M ratio N equal to 3 ratio 4. तो M और N का रेशियो AP और BP का रेशियो आ गया AP रेशियो BP इक्वल टू 3 ratio 4. This is the value of M ratio N 3 ratio. So by section formula Px comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx. Px comma y equal to 3 2 जा 6, 4 2 जा minus 8 upon 3 plus 4 7, 3 4 जा minus 12, 4 2 जा minus 8 upon 7, that is equal to minus 2 upon 7 comma minus 20 upon 7. So this is the coordinate of that point P. In question number 9, find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. So let P comma Q comma R divides AB in 4 equal parts. This point divide the line in 4 equal parts. So AP equal to PQ equal to QR equal to RB. These are the 4 equal parts. So AP, if we take AQ, so AQ is a 2 parts, and here we take 2 parts, so AQ is equal to QB. It means Q is midpoint. Q is midpoint of AB. So we find out, so coordinate of Q is minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 comma 2 plus 8 upon 2. By which formula? We apply midpoint formula, because Q is the midpoint. AP plus PQ makes AQ, QR plus RB makes QB, and these are the equal. So AQ equal to QB, because all parts are equal. So 2 parts, we take 2 part here, 2 part here, both are equal. So Q is the midpoint. The value is 0, 10, 5. Now we find out coordinate of P. So coordinate of P is the midpoint of AQ. We write down here A, this is A, and this is Q, and P is the midpoint. Coordinate of the Q is 0, 5. We just find out minus 2, 2. So coordinate of P is minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 2 plus 5 upon 2. That is equal to minus 2 upon 2 minus 1, 5 to 7 by 2. Coordinate of R. Coordinate of R. Now we take coordinate of R. R is the midpoint of QB. This is Q and this is B. Coordinate of B is 2, 8 and coordinate of Q. The coordinate of Q is 0, 5. So we find out the coordinate of R. R is the just midpoint of that line. So we write down 0 plus 2 upon 2 and 5 plus 8 upon 2. That is equal to 1, 13 by 2. In this question, the area of rhombus, if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, 1 taken in order. एक rhombus given है और rhombus के vertices given है. First vertices ये हो गया, then B vertices, then we write down C vertices, and then we write vertices, we write vertice D. We find out the area of this rhombus. We know that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 product of diagonals. So we find out the length of diagonal. First we find out the length of diagonal AC. So this point is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. So length of the diagonal AC by using distance formula under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root वैल्यू रख देंगे x1 y1 x2 y2 की, सॉल्व करेंगे 4 रूट 2 डिस्टेंस आ जाएगी. देन वी फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल BD. So this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. We find out the distance between these 2 points BD. We get 6 root 2. So area of rhombus equal to is equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2, 1 by 2 AC into BD. AC is the first diagonal, BD is the another diagonal. We write down 1 by 2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 6 and root 2, 2. 4 into 6 and root 2, 2. 2 is cancelled for 2. 24 square unit. So I hope you understand the whole exercise. So complete this exercise, very important exercise. Thank you.